Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want us to go through mathematics, specifically on sets. It's coming from 2020 internal. Okay, yes, this is 2020 internal where I got this question on sets. Okay, so before we go into details, please be aware that the online lessons for GCE internals 2023 have begun at very affordable prices. So you can contact me on 0972 36 50 11. So on this channel or through the online platform, we'll be providing for mathematics, English, chemistry, physics, and biology. So the online classes have already begun, and we are going through basics, how to answer the questions, how to understand the foundation of each course. Okay, so I'll be happy to meet you, to be with you, and to go through these questions. You will learn that these things are quite simple. There's nothing hard at all. Okay, let's go into details now. The question is, of the 115 students, okay, so of the 115 students who attended an end of year party, 74 took Fanta, 93 took Sprite, 87 took Coke. Then we have 61 who took Fanta and Sprite, 71 who took Sprite and Coke, 60 took Fanta and Coke, and 50 took all the three drinks. Okay. And then the first question is, illustrate this information on the Venn diagram. So we want to put this information on the Venn diagram. So first of all, how many types of drinks have you heard so far? Okay, so there are three types of drinks. We have Fanta, we have Coke, and Sprite. Okay, so we need to draw three circles representing the three types of drinks. We need to draw three circles representing the three types of drinks. Okay, so we have one. Now these circles has to join to each other at some point. They need to form the junction. I've drawn two. Another one will be this side. Okay, so then using a ruler, you can draw those lines, the Venn diagram. These, when drawing the circles, you can use the compass. Right. So this first box is representing usually the first drink to be mentioned, which is Fanta. So I'll just put F. Then this one representing Sprite, and this is representing Coke. Now, when putting this information on the Venn diagram, we always start with the intersection or the numbers which did not took any of these. Now the numbers not been mentioned here. Okay, so you always have to start with the intersection. Now, since we have three sets, you need to start with the intersection for all the three sets, which is this part here. That's what I need to start with, because this part is found in Coke, is found in Fanta, as well as Sprite. Okay, so how many students took all the three types of drinks? We have been told that 50 took all the three types of drinks. Therefore, the 50 will have to be in between all the three sets. The 50 has to be in between all the three sets. Okay. When we're done with the junction between all the three sets, now we need to go to the intersections between two sets each. So we have Fanta, Sprite and Coke, Coke and Fanta as well. Okay, so we have 60 took Fanta and Coke. Now they have not put the word only. If they had put the word only, we could have put where there is Fanta and Coke directly this 60. You get that, eh? Now there is no word only, which means that in this 60, there is also the 50 which are here. So for you to find the number which will be between Fanta and the Coke, you have to remove the 50 which is already there. So 60 minus 50, which is giving us a 10. So those who took Fanta only will be 10. Okay, will be 10. We're done with this one. We have 71 took Sprite and the Coke. 71 took Sprite and the Coke. So again, there's no word only. Therefore, you have to remove, the 50 which is there. You need to remove the 50 which is there because this is also part of the Sprite and the Coke. Okay, it is part of it. So 71 minus 50, of which we are getting 21. So the 21 will be here. That is 21. Next we have 61 took Fanta and the Sprite. 61 took Fanta and the Sprite. So Fanta and Sprite 61. So the 61 again, there is no only, remember, so you have to remove the 50, so minus 50, and you are getting 11. So the 11 will be here. So when you're done with the intersections, that's when now we can go to these other numbers. Starting with, we have 87 took Coke. 87 took Coke. There is no word only. If there is only, we could have put it here, 87. Now there is no word only, which means that the whole of these people who are found in Coke, they are 87. Okay, so we don't know the number which is here, but we know these three numbers in Coke. So what you need to do is you need to add 10, all the numbers found in Coke, plus 50, plus 21, plus this one, the one we don't know, is going to give us what we've been told is what? 87. So you add these two numbers, these three numbers, because they are like terms. So this is 60. 60 plus 21, we're getting 81. So we have 81 plus x is equals to 87. Okay, 81 goes there. X is equals to 87 minus 81, which is giving us x is equals to 86. 6, sorry. So we have 6. So the one who took Coke only are 6. We're done with this. We go to the next part. 93 took Sprite. 93 took Sprite. Okay, so those who took Sprite altogether, they are 93. So when you add 11 plus 50 plus 21 plus the one we don't know there, you can use n letters, n variable, is equals to 93. Okay, same applies. You add this one and this one, this one and that one then. So this is going to give us 32. Okay, 32 plus this, we're going to get 82. So we have 82 plus y is equals to 93. The 82 goes that side. Y is equals to 93 minus 82, which is giving us y is equals to, okay, we have 1 here, also have 1, 11. So here we are going to have 11. Okay. Then at the end, Fanta, we have, how many took Fanta? 74 took Fanta. So 74 took Fanta. 74 took Fanta. So we go where Fanta is, we add all the numbers. We can use n letter, remember, say that n variable. So you add 10 plus 50 plus 11, all the numbers in Fanta, plus the z of use is equals to 74. Okay, then you say 10 plus 50, giving us 60, 60 plus 11, we're giving us 71. So 71 plus z is equals to 74. This guy goes there. We have z is equals to 74 minus 71, which is giving us a 3. So here we have a 3. Now remember, we have been told that all these students all together, they are 115. So we need to add these numbers. We see if it is giving us 115. We need to add these numbers. We see if it is giving us 115. Okay, so we'll start with these bigger numbers. So we have 50 plus 21 plus 11 plus 11 plus 10 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, we need to add. We see if it's giving us 115. So 1, 2, 3, then 3 plus that's 9, that is 12. So carry 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's not 115. You see? So which means that the remaining, they do not take any of these drinks. So that is, the total is 115 minus what you have found here, 112. And this is giving us 3, of course. So the 3 can be written anywhere in this box as long as it is outside these circles. So we have 3 outside here. Okay, that is the first question. A, we have answered it. Now B, how many students took none of the drinks? None. The one who did not take any of these drinks, how many are they? They are 3 students. Okay, B, Roman numeral 1. There are 3 students. 3 students did not take any of the 3 drinks. Roman numeral 2. Fanta and Sprite but not Coke. Fanta and Sprite but not Coke. So we don't want the Coke part. Okay, so you need to add the numbers which are found in Fanta and Sprite. So that is 3 plus 11 plus 11. This is 22 plus 4 plus 3. We're getting 25. Okay, so we have 25 students. Roman numeral 3. At least 2 different drinks. At least means greater than or equal to. Okay, at least means greater than or equal to. So we need to add all the numbers which are found in the intersection. If they just say who took 2 different drinks, we could have added 11, 21, and 10. Now they have put the word at least, which means greater than or equal to. Therefore, we need to add the 50 plus 21 plus 10 and plus 11. Okay, so, okay, this was just okay. So we have 50 plus 21 plus 11 plus 10. That is what at least mean. Okay, so this one plus this one is giving us 71. 71. We have 82. 82 plus 10, 92. So we have 92 students who took at least 2 different drinks. 92 students. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you have been with me until the end of the video. I will post another video. Please inform others that online lessons are already in progress. No disappointments, and you see that everything is possible. When you combine your hard work and my hard work as well, together we can make it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.